Based in San Diego, California, One Stop Systems, or OSS, is a recognized leader in designing and manufacturing specialized high-performance computing platforms and is publicly traded on NASDAQ. For over 20 years, OSS has been committed to making its customers successful and is the trusted technology partner for a vast array of companies, from innovative startups to multinational leaders. They come to OSS for its unsurpassed technical expertise and its reputation for delivering the highest levels of quality. OSS is built on the strength and talents of its employees, who share a single-minded focus on innovation and execution. Its customers have a common need for performance without compromise, and OSS delivers. OSS products are utilized by power users who lead in the fields of AI and deep learning, government and defense, finance, aerospace, transportation, scientific research, and media and entertainment. OSS is at the forefront of the AI movement with its AI on the Fly initiative. Placing AI high-performance capabilities in the field directly connected to the high-speed data acquisition sensors is critical in applications ranging from autonomous vehicles to threat detection to industrial automation. OSS's innovative products are based on the core elements of high-performance computing, including processors, storage, GPUs, network adapters, and other accelerated I/O. PCI Express is the interconnect that ties together these HPC elements. OSS has industry-leading PCI Express expertise and has been first to market with each generation of the technology. OSS designs building blocks including custom expansion-optimized servers equipped with PCI Express host adapters that support connection to expansion enclosures for GPUs, flash storage, and other PCI Express devices. These building blocks come in different sizes, form factors, and for different environmental conditions, meeting the most demanding size, weight, and power requirements without sacrificing density, performance, or cost. These building blocks are used to create perfect-fit solutions tuned to specific markets and applications. In data centers, OSS products power the highest-end AI and data analytics applications. Similar building blocks are ideal in deployed rugged data centers, forming the core of AI on-the-fly capabilities. These products can be found anywhere from the battlefield to the oil field, or deployed in government and commercial aerospace applications, including in-flight entertainment and sophisticated surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence applications. OSS building blocks also provide ideal solutions in autonomous cars and robotic devices in healthcare. OSS has completed a number of strategic acquisitions to extend its product offerings as well as its geographic and market reach. From technical innovation to professional execution and support, OSS is the market's trusted high-performance computing technology partner, singularly focused on making their customers successful. Learn more about this fast-paced company and its exciting vision for the future at onestopsystems.com.